Several things you can do to be preventative or at least minimize risks. So the first thing that Honigman does for our employees is we have a certain server. We can't cut and paste emails to our private, whatever internet browser we use. And we have various cyber training every month that we have to complete this training in order to stay in good standing at the firm and earn rewards points to buy some swag. And then three, we actually have policies in place that essentially require us to not rely on artificial intelligence. Similarly, you can't blame it on a secretary, you can't blame it on a paralegal, the lawyer's responsible. So treat AI as almost a resource to maybe give you some efficiency, but you can't rely on that. And then there are documents you can prepare in your policy that is not common sense. So for example, the Defend Trade Secrets Act is a federal law. And if you have certain language that says employees are allowed to whistleblow illegal activity that they find out in the company, in exchange for that, they'll agree to keep all of our information confidential and not put this information out on, ChatGPT or elsewhere. That would allow the company to get treble damages plus attorney fees plus a federal remedy to actually allow a court-martial to go retrieve that computer back and that property back. And there's also ways to get insurance. So you can buy cyber insurance and make sure you're aware of all the carve-outs and technicalities to comply, because most of the cyber insurance says there's annual training done. And based on AI search, only 15% of companies do any type of training based on AI. So if you do that training, then all of your insurance coverage could be invalid based on not following your warranties and representations. And then third, you could outsource some of your enforcement procedures to a third party that may help you with AI tools, and you could have indemnity agreements negotiated with those third parties to maybe have some of the responsibilities shared.